Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this outstanding Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 Factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. This is a 2019 bike on a 69 plate with just 2,706 miles and one owner from new. This bike is in exceptional condition and I can hear you all saying, that's not a factory, it's got a proper back seat. Well, I can assure you this bike is a factory. Someone's just had the really brilliant idea of putting the proper rear seat from an RR on it. We do have the standard factory back end if you prefer. So all is right with the world. You can tell it's a factory because it has the Ohlins suspension front and rear. That's the Ohlins electronic suspension as well, by the way. The front tyre's got plenty of life left in it there, and it's in that sort of traditional Aprilia colour scheme. The black, red and silver. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. You get the Akrapovic carbon fibre silencer as well, which sounds absolutely amazing. The rear tyre's got plenty of life left in it. There's no stone chips or dings or dents in the wheels, as you can see there. That Ohlins shock nestled in there is absolutely as clean as a whistle. It says RR on the back, but it is a factory. You come out to the left hand side of the bike and that is as clean as the right, as you would expect for a bike with under 3,000 miles and only a couple of years old. In fact, I don't even think it's 2 years old yet. There's those Ohlins, all important Ohlins forks and the Brembo brakes. All the paintwork, absolutely tip top. Nothing to apologise for at all on this bike. These bikes sound absolutely unbelievable. They are possibly the angriest motorcycle in existence. TFT dash there as well, you get your cruise control on this bike, along with that Bosch IMU, keeping all that power under control. Around 180 horsepower, these things, they really are a missile. Quickshifer there, that's up and down of course. Swing arm, no dings, dents, scratches again on any of this bike. It really is a fantastic motorcycle, and I think that extra rear seat, that rear seat there, that proper one, I think that makes that a really useful motorcycle. Surely lots of people love all the gizmos and gadgets you get with the factory over the RR, but they look at it and go, I need to take someone on the back. Well, this bike actually covers you off there, and I think it's a superb choice. So as I said, these things sound amazing. Let's fire this one up and give it a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this absolutely amazing Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory, then please do get in touch, either by phone or by the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.